let's activate the phone lines. Yeah, let them call us, and then let's speak some English.
But
and then
did you really think Igba is all part of speaking English? Like,
oh really?
Yeah, it's a skill.
It forms part of it. Yeah,
like it's a skill. It is a skill. So they should call any fella they got.
Okay, so let's give a little shout to our sponsor.
Okay.
Yeah, Vodafone.
All right.
Vodafone is behind us, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, they're sponsoring us, yeah. Okay, so 0302216561, 0302216562. Yeah, so you got to call us now.
And ask any
question, yeah.
You're looking good, but I just need the curls back in your hair, right?
And you looking fly, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
I like your glasses.
Thank you.
It's looking good on you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And as you can see, it matches with your
pinky.
Yeah. With your pinky stuff. Yeah.
The guy is. So what you're gonna do for me is get back the curls and the whole Afrocentric style in your hair.
Yeah.
It makes it adds a little bit of color, like brightness,
Shit.
Yeah, you gotta do it for me.
I got you.
Thank you.
All right, first call already on the line. Hello, good evening.
Hi.
Yeah, what's your name? Where you calling from?
I'm James.
You are
from Farmer.
Okay, all right. So James, you're listening, yeah.
I feel like I want to know where is CP.
Where is who? CP.
Yeah.
That's past questions.
That
was 2019 of their questions.
This one.
No.
Okay, so to answer your question, he's no more here with us. You know what I'm saying? He joined the Asra
for in the room.
Okay. All right, so let's move on. Next caller. Hello, good evening.
Welcome, Adom.
Now you gotta speak
what's
English,
your name?
please.
My name is Kwame.
Kwame, calling from
Ekropong.
Okay, so Kwame, go on. We're listening to you.
Please, we want to know what is Mahoney Peel. I heard about Mahoney P, if you remember that guy.
Mahoney P.
Oh, Mahoney P.
Charlie, that's way back, you know what I'm saying? Mahoney P. Okay, so I will talk to Andy Dusty about this, and then he can help us out. Yeah?
He is the grandpapa of the game, so you can...
Sure. Andy will be able to give me some more gist into this, yeah? Thanks so much, yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so let's move on. Next caller. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, guys.
Yeah, good evening.
Hi.
No size.
Hey, why they only Vic?
Yes.
All right, so Vic, what's up? What's up with you?
What's up with you?
Thank you.
Thank you too. We day. What do you have for us today?
I want to ask. Tomorrow, I am Mr. Sandy. We will dance.
Yes,
I want one pizza.
They owe me pizza. They've not given it to me yet.
We'll sort that one out. Don't you worry. Let's pick our next caller.
And then dance the other day. She enjoyed it. I'm sure she want to dance again. Vic, I owe you a dance. You ain't got no problem.
It's serious, man. Let's try and see if we can chip in two more calls or so. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good
evening.
What's the name?
My name is Mario Gomez.
Okay.
What Gomez?
Mario Gomez. Talking from Medina.
I'm still not getting it. Okay, it's fine. Yo, so go on. We're listening to you.
I want to know what is going on about you and Sandy. Hey.
What's going on about us? Something came up and I wasn't happy about it, so I decided not to talk to her. But I realized it wasn't so cool, so we have to bury our difference. Yeah.
You know I'm a better fan.
Okay, that's good.
You forgive me, shout out. Easy.
Okay,
give yourself shout out. Do it now.
My first shout out going to my own mom.
Yourself shout out.
You said you love Irrigator, so we should give you a shout out. And I'm saying give yourself that shout out. So give it to yourself.
Shout out to
okay, my own name is Mario Gomez.
So shout out to Mario Gomez.
So shout to yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
And the two of us are brutal.
Alright, thank you. Thank you so much for your call, brutal. Alright, so let's do our last caller. Hello.
Hello, darling.
Yeah, oh, mommy.
Hi.
Yeah, darling.
Yeah, how are you?
That's great. I'm quite man.
Nice one.
What do you have for us today?
I want your mommy, Fanny.
You want what?
You are calling us from Latte?
Yes, Sandy is from Latte.
Yeah, I'm from Latte.
Yes, I'm your money from Latte.
Oh, me pako to into UK, te?
Yeah, go
me pako to me ballet.
Wow, what is your papa?
Me pako to you, me just let us say.
No, my father, some of the Tawa.
Weka pi, nkwajule weka.
You are running for Waka.
Amen. There's a lot of Brooklyn
yes.
Lots of Brooklyn slang and all that.
And my mom understands this, and she
Whoa,
speak it as
your
well,
mom
so,
does?
Yeah. But unfortunately, I can't. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so Mama J, and kwajule pi meka be weka mbrim chong krenkre weka. Hey.
The only thing I remember,
into UK,
that's one.
Yeah, oh, Jay, what you trying to do to me, Jay?
Oh,
all right, so I gotta get out of here.
Yes. So
yeah.
We meet again tomorrow, eh?
Yeah, tomorrow I'm definitely gonna see you, right? But if you don't see me, don't take it too personal, right? I don't want to fight with you again.
What are you talking about?
You know, we're in an election year,
what are you talking about?
Election year, Benjamin, we too packed and all that. And Shoma is coming.
I don't give a damn about
that. And Shoma
season
3, I got to do all the rounds, get a kiss for you. And bring them to you.
I know about that.
Yeah, I got you, bro. So, always in my heart, all right?
I definitely will pop. Yeah?
Okay, give me bullseye in the air.
Yeah. Bullseye, yeah.
Any pieces for me?
Let's see how it goes tomorrow.
All right, well, enjoy the song.
Oh, man. That's my crazy power.